I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but it's like not sunny at all outside and just having the light of the kitchen. But anyways, I have 1 cup of oats, a cup of soy milk, and I'm also going to use another cup of water. I have 1 banana. This is what I'm going to mash up, and this is what I'm going to top it with, or even mash up a little more. See how that goes. I have blackberries, frozen blackberries, chia seeds, and this is not what I add every day, but might as well get some omega-3s in, and some cacao nibs. And that's also not something I will eat every day, but you know, why not? And then I got cinnamon. Now I'm gonna mash the banana and bring everything to a boil. So now I got my banana mashed, and I'm gonna take this, put it in the pan, and I also got, I already got a cup of water in there. Yeah, then I'm gonna add the almond milk, of the soy milk, but you can use almond milk or oat milk or whatever milk you have on hand. And then put that on high. And at this point you can also add your banana in. And the reason I mash this is that it gets like the sweetness of the banana will get evenly spread throughout the oatmeal. So that's really easy and handy. So I'm gonna add this to the pan and bring this to a boil. So I'm gonna mix this. And just keep like whisking this a little bit so that it doesn't stick. And let it bubble. So you see that it starts to bubble a little bit. Just gonna put it a little lower and keep stirring it. So now it's bubbling like faster, and I'm gonna turn it down to like a medium-low heat. Keep stirring it, and this is like the point where you can just like, you could leave it for a little just to let it thicken up, or you can stir like I'm doing, because there's like no other thing that I can do. But if you are like in a hurry and you need to like cut up some fruits and stuff, then this would be the moment to do that. But keep an eye on it though, because you don't want this to stick to the bottom that much. So at this point, yeah, it's done. As you can see. So then I'm gonna turn the heat off. Yeah, and I'm just gonna let it sit for like a minute so that it cools down a little bit. And that's my kitty. Hey! How are you? What do you want? You wanna go outside? Hmm? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Hmm? What do you want to do? No, it's raining. You don't want to go outside. Sorry, Bill. So now it's time for the fun part, and that is decorating. So this is the finished product. I hope that what I just filmed was focused, because I have no idea. Like, you know, but you know, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. So yes, this is my breakfast. As you can see, there's the blackberries, the cacao nibs, the chia seeds, and a banana. And yeah, I will take a bite of approval for you guys. We'll take a little bit of banana as well. This is really good. So yeah, you should definitely try it. It's like simple, and you can add a lot more colorful fruits if you have those in season, if you have those in hand. Like, it's it's pretty crappy out, so this is all I have right now. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you make this recipe, please tag me on Instagram. You can find all the details in the description below the video. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. You can also follow me on Snapchat, on Twitter, on Tumblr. All are in the description. And I think my Snapchat is on my Instagram. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. And also, let me know what you think in the comments below, what kind of videos you want me to make, because I'm very curious and very open to new ideas. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Have a wonderful day.